I'm Dr. Andrew Catchpole. I'm the Chief Scientific Officer at hVIVO, which means I oversee all of the scientific product of the company and work very closely with my colleagues to design the challenge studies, interpret the data, and support our clients all the way through the process of working with us. Human challenge trial is when we experimentally inoculate a volunteer with a pathogen of choice, for example, an influenza virus. There are a number of benefits of doing human challenge trials. Speed is a clear, obvious one because you use a lot less number of volunteers to determine the same level of efficacy data to field trials. And because you have less numbers of subjects, they're not only quicker, they're also a lot cheaper to do as well. And they're very, very controlled. So you get very clear, good quality data and very fast, expeditious results. So I contribute to the delivery of these trials by overseeing how they're designed and how the data is interpreted. So making sure that we're designing these very unique studies to make sure that we're doing it in exactly the right way for the product, and we have that full understanding of how to conduct a challenge study in this very niche type of clinical trial. So therefore, we're designing in a very correct way, looking at previous data, and then also making sure we get the correct interpretation of that data. In the industry, we've noticed a number of recent trends that have started going on. So we've always done the smaller studies, which are for the smaller biotechs where they want to have clear proof of efficacy data for the very first time with their product. And that really does have a good market inflection on their product and therefore helps them to raise the money to go to the next stage. But recently we're seeing larger studies being done by big biotech and big pharma, and they're using them for slightly different purposes, mainly to de-risk the later stage phase 3 studies, i.e. get that clear proof of efficacy data, know that it's going to work and be efficacious in the indication before then doing the larger, more complicated phase 3 studies. A new facility enables us to manufacture a much wider portfolio of viruses than we were able to do previously, because it enables us to work directly with a higher level containment pathogen. In our previous facility, we're working mainly with biological safety level 2 pathogens, and now we can work with the next category up at level 3. So this enables us to not only do manufacturing of our own challenge agents that we intend to use, but also bespoke manufacturing for our clients with some more difficult, higher level, containment level pathogens. This new facility enables us to do the studies that much faster again, and therefore accelerate drug development for our clients. And that's because it's built with efficiency in mind. All of the clinical unit is on one floor, so 50 beds all on one floor, as opposed to our previous unit where it's split across multiple different floors and multiple buildings. And that enables us to run not only just more studies, but also to have a quicker turnaround of the studies and get data out quicker for our clients. The future for hVIVO is really bright. We're now in a new facility which gives us great opportunities to deliver more and more for our clients, much more flexible working space. We can offer greater facilities and much wider portfolio of facilities that really sets us well for the future.